Balance a chemical equation. Now, just follow this rule to balance a chemical equation. Rule number one: always start with the highest atom. That is, start with the side that has the highest atom. For example, I have 2 boron here. I have 6 hydrogen here. That means total number of atoms here is 8. Total number of atoms here is 3. Total number of atoms here is 7. That is 3 plus 1. Total number of atoms here is 2. So rule number one: start with the side that has the highest atom. So I'm starting with this one. And again, anytime you have hydrogen and oxygen in your chemical equation, balance them last. Don't consider hydrogen or oxygen first. Balance it last. And if you are balancing hydrogen or oxygen, consider hydrogen before oxygen. And again, how many hydrogen do you have here? 2 is standing alone. Any element that stand alone, you can consider it last, final. So but if you don't have any element that stand alone, then you consider hydrogen and oxygen last. Now let's start with the highest atom. So now, how many boron do you have here? 2. How many boron do you have here? 1. So how can I balance it? I'll just put 2 here, so the boron will be balanced. Now it's now remaining hydrogen and oxygen, and I said balance hydrogen first before oxygen. Always balance hydrogen first before oxygen. How many hydrogen do you have here? 6. How many do you have here? 8. Then 2, making 8. How many now? Here, 2 times 3 is 6. 8. Balance. Now oxygen. How many oxygen do you have here? Just 1. How many oxygen do you have here now? 2 times 3, 6. So how can you balance the oxygen? Just put 6 here. So oxygen is balanced. But immediately oxygen is balanced, hydrogen will change. How many hydrogen do you have here? 12. Plus this, 18. How many hydrogen here? 2 times 3, 6. So I need how many more for it to be 18? 12. So I'll just put 6 here, so that 6 times 2 is what? 12. So everything is balanced. The advantage of this method is that you can balance everything and later you say one number is wrong or you change number. Any number you put here is correct, so you don't change number here with this method. Always start with the highest atom. And so let's see another question. And sometimes you can balance with fraction. So let's say you have C2 H8 C3 H8O plus O2 to give CO2 plus H2O. Now which side has the highest atom here? This one has the highest atom. So I'm starting my balancing from here because I have 3 carbons, 8 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So I'm starting there. So now, how many carbon do you have here? 3. How many carbon do you have here? 1. So balance it, put 3. So carbon is balanced. Carbon, how many hydrogen? We now have hydrogen and oxygen, but remember, balance hydrogen before oxygen. How many hydrogen here? 8. How many here? 2. How do you balance? Just put 4 here. Is balanced. Now it remains oxygen. How many oxygen here? 3 times 2, 6. Plus 4, 10 oxygen. How many you have here? 3. So but I have 1 here. That means I need 9 more for it to balance 10. Then you now assign fraction here is allowed. So 9 over 2 times 2. So 2 will cancel out, is 9. So that means 9 plus 1 is 10. So the oxygen is balanced. But how can you clear the fraction? You now multiply everything by 2. Everything multiplied by 2. So you can clear this fraction. So now this will become 2 C3 H8O plus 9 O2. Remember, if you say times 2, then this will cancel out to give 3CO2. I am 3 times 2, 6. We are multiplying by 6 CO2. Then 4 times 2, 8 H2O. So everything is balanced. So now that is how you can balance a chemical equation. We will see more questions in another video.